Multi-USB ports. The car charger have 4 USB ports designed for large family. 2 for the front seat and 2 for the back seat, with a removable clip and 5 feet long connector cable allows the driver and passenger to have a secure and easily accessible way to attach the 2-port backseat charger. Compatibility. The total output power is 24 W and the USB port can share 2.4 A output current. Super compact design minimizes the size and weight, suitable for 12 to 24 volts mainstream type vehicles such as cars, SUVs, trucks, off-road and so on. Functional and various. 4 built-in USB ports support 4 people charge their devices simultaneously, and the USB vehicle charger compatible for any Android and mobile devices, like smartphones, Galaxy, Android tablets, powerbank, video games controllers, sports watch, camera and other USB-powered devices. Safe and highly reliable. The car charger adapter is UL and FCC certification. Built-in smart IC chips and safe fuse in the ports help protect your devices from overcurrent, overvoltage, overheat, short circuit, etc. The built-in smart IC chips and safe fuse in the ports help protect your devices from overcurrent, overvoltage, overheat and short circuit. The case is made of flame-retardant grade ABS material, which is heat-resistant, chemically stable and safe. Easy to use. The backseat car charger has a 5 feet long extension cable for the rear passengers to reach easily. A removable clip can hang the backseat charger on the back of the front seat. 24 W car charger, 5 volts 2.4A shared in the front, and 5 volts 2.4A shared for backseat 2 ports provides plenty of power to charge 4 devices simultaneously at their full speed. Partable with Samsung Galaxy Note 9, Note 8, S9, S9 Plus and more. Specification port. 4x USB input, 12 to 24V output, 5 volts, 2.4A, DC 5V, 2.4A, max, port, District of Columbia 5V, 4.8A, toll, output power, 24 W input voltage, DC 12 to 24V. Top reviews from the United States. Wonderful. I put in the car the day it arrived and haven't removed it. Very handy to have it available every time you are in the car. Very well made, works great.